Alright folks, here she is, the glorious beast. 6'2", nearly 300 pounds of sweet beastly love. The Rheem Platinum Prestige Hybrid Professional Series. Of course, that top portion is the heat pump there. Electric heat pump. No supply, no exhaust. That right in the center is the exhaust of the heat pump. And the intake is right there up top. Be close up for some of its specs here. Zoom in on that. Try to include some of its paperwork right there on the next post. But anyway, I thought I would just give you a glimpse of this beast. It needs at least 6 inches of clearance above the top there. You can see there's a screen right here. Let's see if I can get it. Screen right here comes up, and you need, it's flexible, so you need about 6 inches of clearance above it to get that out. So plan on about 80 inches from floor all the way to the top. This thing again, 275 pounds, took 4 people, myself included, to get it down this narrow set of stairs. Bit of a pain, but we're probably not pros. There's some of its aftermath right there, some of its afterbirth, but I'm excited for it. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. I got this from a local plumbing supply store for almost $1,800, like $1,784, $1,756, something like that. $1,700 and change. Of course, that just includes the hybrid water heater. And then I've got this little spanker right here, Mana Block by Vega. This is a 30 port Mana Block. Maybe I'll just break this in while we're here. Break this little spanker open. Sorry, I know a little. That's the key right there. Get you a little bit more ISO. There we go. We're maxed out at ISO. That's probably gonna look pretty grainy. Right there. Let me see if I can increase the aperture. There we go. A little bit better. Bit of a big spanker. Anyway, hope you enjoy. I'll let you know how I set it up.